Hey, what's up, guys? This is Aryan. So, today I'll be going over my supplement stack, my natural supplement stack, as well as my unnatural supplement stack. Uh, what I did in the last 9 weeks, and what I'll be doing from the next week. So, without any further ado, let's get started. I get into the latest stack that I'm doing, I need to address that I do not uh, promote the use of these substances. These are just for entertainment purposes only. Do not use them, do not break the law, don't play with your health, and rest of the disclaimer. Okay, so 2 months ago, which actually I did a cycle of 10 weeks. I'm currently doing that. So the last 10 weeks I did 500 milligrams of Sustanon and 450 milligrams of Nandrolone mix, which is Deca Durabolin, Nandrolone, Deca, different esters of Deca, like testosterone. Sustanon is a mix of different esters of testosterone. Similarly, Nan mix or Nandrolone mix is mixture of different esters of Deca. Different release time, fast, slow, medium, and all that. So I did this at 500 milligrams of Sustanon and 450 milligrams of Deca every week, of course, divided. Uh, Now I'll be doing my last shot, which is like the 10th week tomorrow on Monday. And in between this, I did use Anadrol for 12 days, but I discontinued use because I felt like it was a bit too harsh on my system. I was sweating a lot. The pumps were good, but I felt like I was sweating and losing fat. So I don't know. It was quite opposite for me. Okay, so let's let's see the supplements I take. Now the first one is this one. Again, I'm not sponsored by any supplement company or anything. This is just me using them personally because I do get results from them. Now I use this Psychotic Smart Lean Gainer. Um, it has carbohydrate, protein, creatine, and all this shit. I use half a serving of this in my morning shake. Milk, I add oats, banana, and all the smoothie. Depends on my mood. Sometimes I add fruits in it or two, but generally as a supplement I take 3 scoops of this in 300 milligrams of full cream milk, which is half a serving in the morning with my breakfast, first shake of the day. Next, I, of course, protein, whey protein. Now this one is Indian brand VG series. Personally, I think it doesn't matter which brand you're taking. Protein's protein. Okay, uh, so it doesn't matter unless it's like hydrolyzed of Optimum Nutrition whey. That's, I mean, that's a different story. But generally, concentrate, isolate, it doesn't matter. You can take any protein. Next up, I have this Carbomax. This is pure carbohydrate shake. This is without any flavor, unflavored carb shake. Now I take this post workout in my with my protein. I take 2 scoops of this, which is 2 servings, 2 scoops, which is like 58 grams of carbohydrates in 2 scoops, and 1 scoop of protein, 24 grams of protein in my post workout shake. So, post workout, morning. Next up, uh, Next up, so I as a pre-workout I take this. I'm currently using this pre-workout, again Indian company CSL. It has 250 milligrams of caffeine, 5 grams of beta alanine, citrus malate, and after a while, just pre-workout just doesn't work on you. Just take it as a, you know, to give that mentality. Oh yeah, I've taken pre-workout. After a while, it just doesn't work. So pre-workout, again with the Psalms, I'm taking Rad 140 full serving 10 milligrams with my pre-workout. Now I do have this Myodrol. I'm not currently using it, but I sometimes switch over. I do use it as a pre-workout sometimes. Sometimes I take Rad 140, sometimes I take this Myodrol. So kind of switch things up to keep giving up uh, that boost, that shock to the body. So Myodrols occasionally, sometimes with my pre-workout. I'm also taking niacin. Now I do not take this regularly because I do get acne flare-ups time to time because of this. Now this isn't exactly a pre-workout. This is meant to treat some heart issues, but when you take that, it has a side effect, that flashing side effect, that itchiness. So for that, that itchy sensation, I like that, so I take it. Again, the blood flow, it does do increase the blood flow. It's also helpful in erection and all that stuff for the heart. Yeah. But the side effect, I use that as a pre-workout to have that itchy sensation in the body. So yeah, it is sort of a multivitamin, you can say, but I take it as a pre-workout. Occasionally, I do not take all of them together. I switch it from time to time. Again, most important supplement, liver detox. Liver detox. This is again milk thistle, dandelion roof. I take 2 of them in the day, which is 1000 milligrams of milk thistle to keep my liver healthy. This also have turmeric in it to support my kidney function, and also L-carnitine as the full package for the skin, liver and kidney. I also take fish oil. This is cod liver oil. This is over the counter from the chemist. So I take 2 caps of this in the morning. Depends. I sometimes do not take it. Now this is like the supplement one, fish oil, salmon, omega-3. Now this one is pretty strong. Each serving has like 1000 milligrams of fish oil, omega-3 supplement in it, EPA and that shit. So I take 2 of these if I'm 2 of these in a day. Now in my personal experience, 2000 milligrams for the general population works best, but if you want to have good blood flow, erection and all that shit, up to 3000, 3500 does work. So fish oil, like, really important, multivitamin fish oil. Other supplements I have is ashwagandha. Sometimes I do have trouble sleeping, so I pop one in. This also helps with my moods, stress relief and all that shit. I do not take this regularly, just sometimes, maybe once a month, once or twice in a month. So now again, Live 52 DS, not using currently. I have stronger options. I do use them when with Psalms, if I'm using only Psalm cycle, or if I run out of this, then only I use this Live 52 DS. Next up is, this is pretty much my natural stack. So I'll show you one more time. Smart Lean Gainer, this. Now after I finish this, I'll be using this one, this Animal Mass. Now these two are same things, just different companies, carbohydrate, and this is lean gainer. So after this, I'll be changing to this first shake of the morning, post workout carbohydrates and protein. We have liver kidney support, heart and skin support, for mood, and of course we have pre-workout, niacin, rad 140 and myotrol. Now this is my natural stack. Now let's get to the juicy part, the unnatural stack. So I'm currently using Test E, which is testosterone enanthate. I'm taking 2 cc's of this, which is 600 milligrams. So this is my current stack, which I'll be using from the coming week, this Monday, you could say tomorrow. So testosterone enanthate 2 cc's. We have equipoise, again 2 cc's, 600 milligrams. Now I'll also be adding trenbolone, which I'll just be taking 1 cc of this in a week. I'll be starting with half a cc, then I will titrate it up to 1 ml. So this is 300 milligrams per ml. I will be taking 1 ml of this in a week and 2 mls of this in a week. So total of 600 test, 600 EQ and 300 tren from the coming week. And I'll be also be using some Anadrol from the next week. Now I do not use Anadrol continuously. I like to use it in a 10-day, like use Anadrol for 10 days and then stop using it, use 10 days and stop it. So again, Anadrol. Now with all this, I am using Rad 140. I absolutely love this compound. Amazing pump, amazing strength. The aggression is mind blowing. Now this Rad 140 is like trenbolone of SARMs. So this is like my favorite supplement. This is liquid, you just take it and drink. Now again, do not use it on your own. This is just for entertainment purposes only. So this is pretty much my stack for the coming week. Now I'll be using this for 10 weeks. So I did use 10 weeks just test and deca. Now I'll be which was bulking. Now I'll be switching over to lean bulk. So 10 weeks that, 10 weeks that, and then we'll see from there.